Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into an exciting comparison between two fantastic sling bags from Alpaka, the Metro Sling V1 and the brand new Metro Sling V2, highlighting the differences, improvements, and new features Alpaka has introduced. Let's get this started. First, let's talk about the exterior. Here we have the Metro Sling V1 in its stylish army green colorway, crafted from eco-friendly Oxoflush recycled fabric with a 600D polyester. This material not only looks great, but is also durable and sustainable. The Metro Sling V1 is compact and fits perfectly in hand, making it an excellent choice for those who need a small yet functional bag. Next up is the Metro Sling V2, which I have in Oxoflush 300D black color. Placing them side by side, you'll notice both have similar sheen and texture, maintaining that high quality feel Alpaka is known for. They both feel incredibly smooth to the touch. Alpaka Gear also sent me the hub carabiner to showcase how it works with the slings. Although sold separately, it's a handy addition. The carabiner can be attached to the sling, allowing for quick access to your keys and other small items. The V2 features convenient attachment points on the side, making it easy to wear the sling and have your keys accessible. You can simply pull them off to unlock a door and then magnetically reattach them, super convenient. Now turning back to the V1, we have 4 attachment points, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. These points allow for versatile carry options, enabling you to wear the bag either vertically or horizontally. Here's the adjustable strap that comes with the bag. I'll attach it quickly to show you how it looks in both orientations. It's a bit hard removing the attachment, but it's alright, you just need patience to do it. Opening up the front compartment, you'll find a small pocket lined with Alpaka's traditional gray honeycomb fabric. This compartment includes a removable key attachment, perfect for keeping your keys secure and easily accessible. It's an ideal spot for storing small miscellaneous items that you need quick access to. Next, let's take a look inside the Metro Sling V1. This bag's open vertically rather than horizontally, which is quite unique. Inside, you'll find front pocket, perfect for passport or a notebook or a small gadget you need. The main compartment, an area down the front with 2 side pockets ideal for pens or any small items. Rear section, another space for a notebook or passport, plus additional slip pockets and elastic loops that are great for charging cables, pens, or other small items, and you can put anything you like in the main space as long as it fits. So when worn, the Metro Sling V1 sits compactly at the side of your body. You can wear it on the other side depending on your preference, vertically or horizontally. Personally, I recommend wearing it horizontally because it looks more stylish. Now let's move on to the Metro Sling V2, the upgraded model with some exciting new features. Starting with the exterior, we have the usual Alpaka branding at the bottom, maintaining a sleek and professional look. The front compartment has been enhanced with a slim front pocket and a built-in magnetic key mod attachment, an upgrade from the previous version's key attachment. There's also a hidden zipper pocket, perfect for storing cash, coins, or small earphones. While slim, this compartment is quite functional. Inside, you'll find a similar layout to the original but with more room. There's a rear pocket, front section for pens, and pockets that can fit credit cards. It's perfect for power banks, charging cables, and more. The V2 also introduces a new carrying handle at the top, which was not available in the previous model. Additionally, there are webbing loops on the both sides where you can attach the new hub carabiner. This new clip design allows you to clip items from the side, an improvement over the previous downward clipping method. The quick release clip at the front also features a magnetic attachment for easy use. I just hope they also made it possible to wear it horizontally. When worn, the V2 looks sleek and is designed for easy access. The grab handle is convenient for carrying through airports, and the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit. The V2 setup allows for quick access to your items, making it great for travel. To wrap it all up, both slings have their unique advantages. The original Metro Sling is compact and organized, while the Metro Sling V2 offers more space and versatility. Personally, I prefer horizontal slings because they're easy to carry and provide quick access to your items. This concludes our comparison between the Metro Sling V1 and the new Metro Sling V2. If you made it this far, there's a special discount code for you in the description below. Your support means a lot and helps me create more videos like this. Thanks to Alpaka for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.